I'm going treasure hunting for cross supplies. Let's open bin number 37. And I already see so much fun and colorful stuff in here. Oh my gosh. We were hoping to find some handmade projects, and it looks like we just found a bunch of backgrounds. So my name is Stephanie, and I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and you can trade in your leftover art and craft supplies for store credit. Well, we recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening it one bin at a time. There's over 50. This is bin number 37, so we're chugging our way along, and every now and then we find some stuff that she made, and it's very fun to see what she did with this incredible supply collection. Ooh, these kind of all match my shirt. That wasn't even intentional. I try to match my shirt to the bin sometimes, but this is just, I don't know, a bunch of random stuff in this one. Ooh, I see some stickers and some markers and some brushes, but let's take a look at a few more of these because they're very pretty. And even though somebody already made these, we sell a lot of scrap paper because people use them for all sorts of projects, from a card making to journaling to scrapbooking, and it's just nice to have some stuff that's already made for you. Oh, they're just so stinking pretty. Look at all of these. I'm inspired to get working on my art journal, which will be coming soon as a series, so keep an eye for that. Now, if you're enjoying these videos or you just found us and you're not local to the Tampa Bay area, but you still want to shop with us, we do have an eBay store, which is linked at bottomofthebin.com, so make sure to take a look and get yourself some goodies at a discount. Also, if you're watching on Instagram or Facebook, make sure to check out our YouTube for the full-length videos so you don't miss a thing. There's even a napkin. All right, I see some stickers. We have some Christmas stickers, some foil, some more little snowmen and gingerbread houses and trees, a bit more scrap paper, and some red gem hearts. I feel like we found quite a few of these. She must have really liked those. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Wendy, I can't read the last name. Make Art Station for embossing, stenciling, aligning, creating. Includes a 12 by 12 steel magnetic base with printed grid. Wait, I might actually need this because I've been trying to find some sort of like mat so I could do my videos on, like my crafting videos. Oh, that's definitely well loved though. So maybe I won't hang on to this one. Plus it reflects the light, and that's kind of the problem I'm having with the one that I have. But there are some magnets on here, very strong magnets. So someone will be very happy to find this, I'm sure. I really wanted a glass one, but it didn't work with all the lights in my studio. So I'm still on the hunt for something that'll work. Whoa, these are like little swatches she made. It looks like for different alcohol inks, and the names are on the back and the front. The names are on the front. Cool. I also have one of these Xyron sticker machines. We get quite a bit of those in my shop. And oh, this is exciting. We've got some pearlescent powders. I have a little collection of my own, so I'll take a quick look and see if there's any colors I'm missing, but I'm almost positive I have every single one of these. They're the Perfect Pearls by Ranger. Some other brands in here as well. I haven't really experimented with mine yet, but basically they're like a shimmery metallic powder, and you can brush them on to create all sorts of different art projects. Add a little shine and sparkle, one of my favorite things. Oh man, this whole bin's gonna get me in trouble. I won't even tell you what's down there yet. We have some stencil brushes labeled because everything was so meticulously organized. So these are also called stifling brushes. I have a few of these already. I use them for things like making greenery and bushes, and of course you can also use them to, I don't know, like stencil stuff on. Stencil brushes, it's in the name. The mustache brushes, I don't know about those, but I know about this little guy. Bob, are you telling me you want a mustache? I really don't know what mustache brushes are used for, but there is a whole bin of these. I might keep one just to play with them and see what they do. If you know, let me know in the comments below. You guys are really good at that. Ooh, this is some Posca markers. Those might be tempting for one of our staff members to keep. She uses these for a lot of the art around her shop. That is a great find. We do have a lot of paint pens though in our shop if you're looking for some. This has colored pencils inside. Oh my gosh, how adorable. What a nice little gift. It's like a nice little gift set. Oh my gosh, there's even metal dies. I don't know if I'm gonna pull all these out because we literally just went through bins and bins of metal dies, and there's still more to come. So I pull these out and individually package them. These basically cut shapes out of paper, and this whole container here seems to be frames and tags, so that is exciting. Keep an eye out for these. Again, these will be in the bin of the day for the first 2 days after the bin video is released. Then they get sprinkled in our store, and then they wind up on our eBay. We have plenty of ways to shop, even if you're not local. This one's also full of metal dies. We've got some ovals in here. Ooh, those are purple. Not like the color makes any difference at all. They all do the same thing and just cut shapes out of paper, but lots of different ones in here as well. This one is a rectangles, beautiful frames. You can make frames for scrapbooking, card making, journaling, and all sorts of stuff. Lots of fun shapes in here as well. Looks like a few were actually cut out. This is what they do. They cut shapes out. This is a washi tape. Aw, Tokyo Disney Resort. It's Tigger and Pooh. Tons of pretty washi tape in here. I don't need any more, so I'll be good, but I know people would be happy to find these. We sell the thicker washi tape for 50 cents and the thinner ones for 10 cents, so it's a pretty good deal. This is great as well. Nice thick one, and it's got some polka dots. There's also a little black and white collection that you can kind of see right there. Labels get me every time. So good. All right, there is more of these pearlescents here. Tons of different colors. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the camera picks up that one, but that's like white and pink. Very pretty. Very shimmery and different brands. Some of these are actually makeup, but hey, whatever works, right? Bare minerals. All right, I don't see a label on this one, but I see some things I'm very familiar with. There's some acrylic paint, some distressed crackle paint. We've seen quite a few of those. Distress embossing glaze and the distress oxides. I have a small collection of those. There's a distress paint, some more acrylic paint. I'll have to take a look and see if I'm missing any of these colors. We've got some glitter, some more shimmer, a random bag of stars, like little garland pieces cut up, more distress oxides. That is a great find. Oh, and the distress paint. I have a collection of these too, so I will go through and see which ones I need. Oh, the stains. Stains are what I have. And the rest will be available, but I'm definitely keeping the ones that I need first because these are some of my favorites to play with. Look at all of these colors. This is awesome. And another one of my favorites. So these are the distress sprays. I have a whole collection here behind me. Again, I'll just go and see what colors I need and which ones I can spare, if any. This isn't even distress. This is a different brand. Oh my gosh, I need to play with these. Like I said, I can't remember if it was this video or another video, but I have an art journaling series coming up, and I will be getting really good use out of these. So if you end up liking them and how they work, they're pretty easy to find. And since I love my shinies so much, I'm gonna have a hard time parting with these. Sorry. That'll do it for bin number 37. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.